Hi friends, this is Satish and welcome back to SatishCodes. Friends, yesterday we discussed about the how to create, how to use and how to drop the database. And today we are going to discuss about the how to alter, how to create the tables on database and how to display the tables in the database. So now I'm going to show you in MySQL shell. So open MySQL shell. There it is. One click and local instance. Now yesterday we drop our database. Now I'm going to create a new fresh database. Okay, so for create we use a syntax create database name Satish TB ends with semicolon. Here database name with semicolon, then you execute it. A database is created. Now we set a default database as our database because a default database is SYS is the default database. We set our own database as default database. So use syntax use here use database name Satish TB ends with semicolon and execute it. So it is in use. Okay friends, now I'm going to show you how to create the tables in database. So first, if we need to create a table in the database, we have a syntax. The same syntax as the how we created the database. So what is the syntax for creation of database? Create database and database name ends with semicolon. So that is the syntax for database creation. And here also a syntax, that is I'm going to write in here. Look at this. Create, here there we use database, here we use table because we are going to create table. Table name is employee. I'm giving table name is employee. So if you want to create a table, must and should you ensure add a at least one column in the table, otherwise it won't create it. Okay, remember it. Okay, and if you want to add columns, here open the braces. Here column name, I'm column name, you must and should give a column name. Okay, column name is employee name. This is the first column name. So employee name, so you give a name for the column and must and should remember it. For the each column you assign a data type. So what do you mean by data type? I will explain what is data type in further classes. Okay, here okay. Employee name is a character, so I am giving character data type to this. Var and range 10. I'm giving 10. Okay, so what is 10? It is the range. It means my name is Satish, Satish. It is 6 letters, so it fills, that is the range. My name range is 6, so that's why I'm giving 10. Okay, so this is the first column. Give a comma and another column name, it's employee id. Id means number, so number means integer. I give data type int. Okay, int. Then close this braces and ends with semicolon. So sorry, employee spelling is wrong. Okay, so this is the syntax for creation of table. Now I'm going to execute this. Here the table is created. Okay, create table employee name and employee id. So the table is created. Now I'm going to display the table, the entire table I'm going to display. So I write a syntax for this displaying the table. So please look at this. So for syntax for displaying the table is select star. Star is the aggregation. Okay, remember it. Star from table name employee ends with semicolon. Select star from employee. This is our table name. Here look at employee is the table name. Then the table was created and it shows. Okay, this is how we create and display the table. Okay, understand? So friends, now we are going to discuss about the alter. So what do you mean by alter? Alter is used to modify or manipulate the data in database. We can change the column position and column characteristics and column name by using alter. So alter is used to modify the modification. Okay, now by using alter, I want to change column name employee ID to phone number. So what is the syntax? I'm going to write here. Look at this. Alter table employee rename column employee ID to PH number. So look at this. Alter table employee rename column here employee ID to I want to change this name into phone number. Now execute it. It executed. Okay. So once check it, it's changed or not. So I want to we display the table. What is the syntax for displaying the table? Select star from employee. So the column name was changed. So this is how alter keyword works. I give some more example in further classes. Okay, I will give some more modifications. I will do some more modification in next class. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So now today we learn about how to create a table, how to display it, and how to alter the column name. What is alter and how we can change column name by using alter. Okay, thanks for watching.